10th District Studios presents a film by Jerry Kelleher on the next Norwood Experience. In the 150-year history of the town of Norwood, few residents have led a life as acclaimed, accomplished, and controversial as photographer Fred Holland Day. During the transformative 1895 to 1915 period in American photography, Day's stunningly original and brilliantly executed images caused considerable debate. His renowned Sacred series, featuring himself as Jesus Christ on the cross, along with a group of breathtaking close-ups entitled The 7 Last Words of Christ, remains among the most ambitious studies in photographic history. F. Holland Day was influential from the tail end of the 19th through the 20th and into the 21st century. Yet, his name remains unfamiliar to many, and his ideals and intentions have been misinterpreted by others. This film unveils the portrait of an artist, Fred Holland Day, a groundbreaking photographer who looked at his subjects with an oil painter's eye while capturing them through a glass lens. F. Holland Day and the Art of Photography on the next Norwood Experience.